Hello friends, today's topic is active transport. So this topic is basically from cell biology, overview of cells and plasma membrane. Active transport. Active transport is a kind of cellular transport in which substances such as amino acids, glucose and ions are transported across the cell membrane to areas where those substances are already in high concentration. Finally, active transport uses chemical energy such as ATP to move substances against a concentration gradient. This type of transport usually occurs in the intestinal wall and in the endothelial cells. Active transport is carried out by special protein molecules in the cell membrane called proteins and POMs. Active transport proteins or POMs. They use energy in the form of ATP molecule. Photon energy and redox energy are two sources of energy for primary active transport. The mitochondrial membrane is an example of a primary active transport that uses redox energy. Using the reduction energy of NADH to transport photons across the mitochondrial inner membrane against a concentration gradient. Proteins involved in photosynthesis are example of primary active transport using photons or light energy. Primary active transport is demonstrated by the absorption of glucose in the human intestine. Second active transport. Secondary active transport allows a solute to move down. To move down means along an electrochemical potential gradient to generate enough entropic energy to drive the migration of other solutes up from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration. This is also known as a double carriage. There are two types of bonded transport, antipod and sympod. Antipod transport involves the movement of two ions or other solute species across the membrane in opposite directions, while sympod transport involves the movement of two species in one direction.